Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Do you like my new background and all? Do comment down below if you like it or not. Should I change it permanently to this background or whatever? Okay, so I have created this look for Eid. Eid is coming up on 25th and I really wanted to get some cool look. So this is what I have come up with. Have not decided from before that I'm gonna create this look. No, I just came up with this look. I really hope you will like it. So without any further blabbering, obviously, let's get started. Hello guys, welcome back to my voiceover. So I'm starting off with a primer and I'm putting that all over my nose wherever I have pores, obviously, and I'm just putting that all over. I love this primer, it works really well. I'm using two foundation today, Wet n Wild and Fit Me, because mixing that both gives me a perfect shade, because the Maybelline one is a little lighter and the Wet n Wild is a little darker for me, so it gives me a perfect shade. So I'm putting that all over my face and blending it. Guys, blending is the key. I always told you blending is the key, so you have to blend it properly. So I'm using a lighter shade because I wanted to my eyes and my faces, which are like pointed, to look very bright, because it's obviously Eid makeup, you need to shine, and that is why I'm using a lighter concealer. And I'm blending it properly, because you have to blend it obviously. So I'm blending it now. I'm using this loose powder from Blue Heaven. I never thought I would be liking it so much. It has a lot of fragrance, but I don't know, it just matches up, and it is a very powdery, but I don't know, it works well. I'm just powdering my face wherever I put concealer, so I'm doing that. I'm baking because I need to use this new palette from NYX. The color scheme is so beautiful, guys. You can see how beautiful it looks. I'm taking that brownish shade, and guys, do you see how pigmented it is? I never in my world expected that it would be so pigmented, because this is my first high end kind of palette I'm using. It's not high end, but obviously it's a little expensive, so I'm using that, and I love the shade. And guys, you should do both your eyes at a time. I'm taking a burnt orange kind of shade, it's a neon orange, and I'm just putting that. Guys, those pigments are everything. They're so pigmented, and it blend like heaven. Do you see that? It makes a huge difference. I'm taking that yellow shades are a little difficult to put on, and it's a you have to build it up. Actually, yellow shades are always like that you have to build it up. You cannot just get that in one go. You have to have patience for a eye makeup, and you have to build it up. You can see here I'm just blending all over, taking all that burnt orange shade, and I'm just blending is the key, guys. You have to blend it for a seamless view. I'm taking a little bit of concealer, and I'm just putting that this is my first time trying a makeup idea and everything like this. So I'm taking the glitter shade. It's a orange shade. Yeah, it's a glitter orange shade. I'm taking that. Haven't worked with my brush, so I'm taking it with my fingers, and you can see the pigment. It looks so beautiful. So I'm putting that on my eyes, and you can see how pigmented it is. So it was looking very stuck, so I'm just blending it to be looking very beautiful, and like blended out, a put together look. So I'm just blending it. I'm deepening my outer corner a little bit, because it was looking a little weird, so I'm doing that. So I have zoomed out, and I'm just taking out the bake I was baking, taking out all the excess amount of powder from that place. Now I'm putting the colors on my lower lash line, just to put the makeup together. I'm taking this Clinique mascara and I'm putting it over. I just don't like this mascara too much, but because it doesn't give you any volume or anything, I don't know, I don't like it too much, but it does make a difference. I'm doing my brows now, just like combing it up and everything. I'm using this tint. It's not a powder blush. I love this tint because it does stay for a very long time rather than the powder blush. It just powder blush just fade away and this doesn't. I'm using the contour, and yeah, contouring the face is all you need. Giving a shape to your face is very, very important. So here I'm contouring, and never forget to just contour that double chin up, right? And I'm using the shade MAC Meher, sorry, Meher shade I'm using from MAC, and I love this shade. You can see how beautiful this shade looks on itself. So guys, if you like this video, give it a thumbs up. Comment down below what are the other things I need to do, and yeah, have you tried this look or not? Tag me if you recreate this look. Obviously you can follow me on Instagram. I'll leave all the handles down below. I'm super active there, and yeah, I create different contents for YouTube and for Instagram, so you can obviously go and have a look. You'll not get bored. So the people, those who are seeing me for the first time, then please do come and visit again. I really hope I'm not being weird and entertaining you. So yeah, with this I'm gonna end this video. Love you guys. See you next time. Bye bye.